Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So we can alright. Alright. I'm just taking that part over here. Alright. So these are just the colors over here. For that, I think we should move more up over here. Alright. So if you want to go with the environment part, you can go with the environment part also. You can put a BG also. So you can just press 8 over here, and if you want to go with this, you can put over here something. You can just render it. That would be your environmental. Also, in this GI environment, you can add that map over here, and let's render it again. So now you will exactly see that environmental stuff over here. So environmental reflections will apply on the objects over here. So I can just select the lights over here. I can just select this light over here, and I'll increase its intensity multiplier to 0.03. I'll select this lights also. If you're required to work with this lights, you can go with this lights also. See this. So definitely it's going to work with this lights also over here. So even if you apply one light, that is sufficient for it over here. And let's render this and see how it looks like. Alright. Actually it's burning because the lights are very high. To select this part, select its polygons over here, and just push it inside. Much better. You can just easily push this stuff inside a bit. Press P. Select the vertices, just will push it inside. Alright, so let's again move over here, select this and 0.02, that's it. Again just get back and let's render it again. Much better. So if you generate its passes, then definitely it will look more better. So it's rendering it over here. Alright. Reference going to take some time over here. So still we can actually reduce the intensity of the light, because the intensity of the light is very high. Still we can just push it behind if required and push it up. So let's see the render now, how it looks. So it looks much better. The thing is, the lights which are on the top over here are very high, so that's the reason So we need to reduce this lights. So now let's just render and see how it looks like. Okay, now looks better. Now it's properly visible over here. Definitely there is a noise because we need to work with the noise. You can increase its subdivisions in the noise parameter, but it will increase the render time. So definitely it's going to take some time. How we can increase this, like I'll show you small stuff, like you can just go into the materials over here. You can, before that, let's go into this, go into the render setup. Into that, you have this option called use local subdivisions. So you can increase this local subdivisions over here. So for example, if I'm increasing its subdivisions to 12 or 16 over here, after that you can go into its individual material subdivisions. So you can increase this individual, but increasing this individual subdivisions will increase your render time, but definitely your noise will be reduced. And one more thing, what we are going to do over here is, like, also you have a noise threshold. Set this noise threshold to 0.001, and also you can go down into this GI option and you can increase it light cache option to around 2000 or 3000. So you can increase its light cache over here, but definitely once you do that, it's going to take a longer time over here. So you can just render the test, you can make it as a test render first and just set the custom as very medium over here. We don't need a very high render because setting up subdivisions to 3000 over here will definitely increase its render time over here. So that for all the materials you have to increase its subdivisions, so that increasing its subdivisions definitely will reduce that noise over here which you see over here in these areas. So guys, if you have any doubts, please write it in the comment section. I'll get back. So whatever we have done for now is, like, we'll just reset it because it's going to take longer time, but I'll definitely show you that. Go again back to the Vray option and you have this option, that's your use local subdivisions. So set this again as 1 over here and just off this. So it's going to render fast now. Let's go back again to the camera view and just render it. Alright. So we'll continue the rest of the part. So thanks for watching this tutorial.